Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of this artificial intelligence, we are going to discuss about first unit. So first unit is based on introduction to AI and search techniques. So in the first video, we are going to discuss about what is meant by artificial intelligence, history of AI, advantages, disadvantages, AI model, applications also. Okay. So in the second videos we are going to discuss about here what is mean by agents and how the agents work in the artificial intelligence. Okay, so let us discuss here one by one. So first is what is mean by AI. Okay, what is mean by AI or what is mean by agents in the artificial intelligence. So let us discuss here. So artificial intelligence is defined as the study of rational agents. The rational agents could be anything which makes the decisions, such as person, firm, machine or a software. So it carries out an actions with the best outcome after considering the past and the current percepts, which is a agent percept and input at a given instance. So in the AI system it is composed of agents and environment. Okay, जो भी हमारे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम होगी उसके अंदर हमारे पास क्या होंगे एजेंट्स एंड द environments, its environment. So agents acts in their environment. Okay, according to environment agents क्या करेगा, act करेगा और response करेगा. So the environment may contain other agents. The agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through the sensors and acting upon that environment through the actuators. Okay, so if you are having one agent, okay, agent that is A and the environment E. So agent will perceive through the sensors and acting upon that environment through the actuators. Okay, so every agent can pursue its own action. So this is the first agent A1. So if you are having the another agent A2, so the another agent pursue its environment through the sensors and acting upon that environment through the actuators. Okay, so every agent can pursue its own action. Okay, so agent will capture some actions from this environment. Agent 2 captures another action through the environment. So agent 1 and agent 2 pursue its own action based on the environment. Okay, so see here. So here you can easily understand the structure of intelligent agent. We should familiar with the architecture and agent program here. So architecture is the machinery that was agent executes on. Okay, so this is simple architecture. So it is a device with the sensors and the actuators. For example, the robotic car, a camera or a PC. So agent program is implementation of the agent functions, and the agent function is mapped from the percept sequences like the history of all that agents has pursued till date. Okay, जो भी हिस्ट्री अचीव की है एजेंट ने टिल डेट वो क्या करेगा, परसेप्ट करेगा. So here the agent is what, द आर्किटेक्चर प्लस एजेंट प्रोग्राम. जो भी आर्किटेक्चर उसको गिवन होगा एंड जो भी एजेंट के प्रोग्राम्स होंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एजेंट क्या करेगा, एग्जीक्यूशन करेगा. ओके, सो आर्किटेक्चर इज अ मशीनरी दैट द एजेंट एग्जीक्यूट ऑन. सो इट इज अ डिवाइस विद द सेंसर्स एंड द एक्टिवेटर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द रोबोटिक कार, अ कैमरा और अ PC. So agent program is an implementation of an agent function, and the agent function is a map from the perceived sequence, that is the history of all that an agent has pursued till date to an action. Okay, so this is the agent equal to architecture plus agent program. So the next part is the examples of agents. Okay, types of what are the examples of agents? So software agents has a keystroke, file contents, received network packages which act as sensors and display on the screen, files, sent, network packet acting as an actuator. Okay, so if you are talking about the software agents, where what are the sensors here? Keystroke. So to get the actuator is what here? Display on the screen. File content, the actuator is what here? Files. And the sensors are received network packages. So based on that, we are the actuator is what here? Send the network packets. Okay, so this is a software agent. If you are talking about the human agent, so what are the sensors here? Eyes, ears and the other organs. So these are the sensors. And what are the actuators? Environment के through कैसे action gain करेगा agent? So this is called as the actuators, like hands, legs, mouths and other body parts acting as a actuators in the human agents. Okay, and the third thing is the robotic agent. So in the robotic agent, what are the sensors here? Cameras, infrared range finders. So these are the sensors. And if you are getting the camera, so the actuator is what? Various motors are acting as a actuators. Okay, and the cameras getting the sensors as a actuators in the robotic agent. Okay, so these are the three examples of agent. First is the software agent, second one is the human agent, and the third thing is the robotic agent. Okay, so next part is the types of agents. Okay, so before starting discussing about the types of agent, here we just overview this point. Okay, so here we have one agent and the environment. So agent acting upon that environment, and then environment pursue these things. Okay, how the agent will pursue the things from the environment? Based on the past experience, based on the observations, based on the prior knowledges, goal preferences and the abilities. So based on these things, the agents will pursue environment through the sensors and acting upon that environment through the actuators. Okay, so next thing is the types of agents. So agent can be grouped into the 4 classes or the 5 classes based on their degree of pursued intelligence and the capabilities. So the first thing is the simple reflex agent. Simple reflex agent ignore the rest of the perceived history and act only on the basis of the current percept. So the perceived history is the history of all that an agent has pursued till date, and the agent is so the agent function is based on the conditional action rules. The condition action rule is a rule that maps a state, that is the condition, to an action, and if the condition is true, then the action is taken, or if the condition is false, the action is not taken. So this agent functions only succeeds when the environment is full observable. So second type of agent is a model based reflex agent. So it works by finding the rule whose condition matches the current situations. So this model is based on the agent can handle the partial observation environment by the use of the model about the world. So here the agent has keep track of the initial state which is adjusted by each perceived, and that depends on the perceived history. The current state is stored inside the agent which maintains some kind of structure describing the part of the world which cannot be seen. Okay, so third thing is the goal based agent. So this kind of agents take the decision based on how far they are currently from their goal. So this is called as a utility based agents. Okay, so the goal based agent take the decision based on how far they are currently from their goal. So there are every action is intended to reduce its distance from the goal. So this allows that the agent a way to choose among the multiple possibilities. Okay, if the agent will have the multiple possibilities, how the agent take a decisions the which particular route is the final goal, or which possibility is our final goal. Okay, so based on this goal based agent, the agent choose one goal state from the multiple possibilities and selecting the one which is reached to the goal state. The next agent is a utility based agent. The agents which are developed having their end uses as a building blocks are called as a utility based agents. When there are multiple possibility alternatives, then to decide which one is best, so this is called as a utility based agents. And the next thing is the learning agents. The learning agents in AI is a type of agent which can learn from its past experiences, or it has a learning capabilities also. So it starts to act with the basic knowledge and then able to act as a automatically through the learning. Okay, so this is all about the types of agents. Thank you.